everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Linda. Hello, welcome to 2019. I obviously have failed to put up videos once again, but I have a really good excuse, and that is because my sister brought in her beautiful baby boy on January 10th at 12:08 a.m. So it has been a few weeks to where I'm just enjoying my bundle of joy nephew, and I'm just having fun. So basically this is my everyday go-to. I will say there is one item that I normally don't choose because I am lazy and I get up at the last minute in order to make it to work. But I do keep it at work. I keep a whole separate foundation at work. So that's what I'm talking about. So let's just jump into it. Okay, I have gone back to using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. You're gonna know this is my everyday makeup because I keep all of my everyday makeup in this bag and on the back of my hand, and I have found that I like it with a brush better than a sponge. This is the XO Beauty Flat Face Brush. This is from Shane XO's collection from XO Beauty. So I just take that on my brush. Normally I'll just take the spatula and throw it on the brush, but apparently I just decided to do it different. This is what I normally do with it, is I just spatula it on my brush and then buff it into my face. I tap it everywhere. Tap, 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 tap. Tap that into that skin like a beauty blender would. So this is usually a step I completely skip unless I'm at work and then I feel like doing foundation, which is not a normal everyday thing. Maybe when I have my client day I will do it, and I use the LA Girl Pro Illuminating Foundation in the shade Porcelain, which for some reason is still pretty. I think it's more because it's a yellow undertone to it that it makes it look less flattering on my face. So I just use the palest shade of whatever I can get. I'm using the ColourPop concealer in Fairlight. Yeah, ColourPop concealer in Fairlight. As you can see, it's pretty much done for. I've pretty much used it all up, as you can see. Now that I've buffed that into my face, move on to eyebrows. And I use the Milani Brow Pomade in 4, which is brunette. So I just take an angled brush. Any angled brush will do. So now that my eyebrows are done, I'm about as happy as I can get with them. I go in and I use the Rimmel London Browless Way. What I do is I clean off the bristle just because it's got so much product on it when you pull it out. And so there you have it. There's the eyebrows. They're not perfect. They're never going to be perfect. I don't have the capacity to make them twins. They're normally either sisters or first cousins. We'll go with that. That's about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, we're going to move on to eyes. I carry the Norvina palette with me just because I've found I carry the Norvina palette around because I have found a perfect like go-to everyday makeup look, and we're just going to make it easy and simple. I have a pair of pajama pants I use for this look. So basically I take incense and mix it with eccentric, so I take these two and I just buff them into my crease. No real preference or purpose for this. I just do it. And I use the brush that comes with it just because I don't feel like carrying about 10 different brushes in my bag. Even though there are like 10 different brushes in my bag. So there you have it. I just take those and then I just go in with my finger. Stick it into Summer, Rose Gold, or sometimes Dazzling, or Dreamer. It just depends on which one I prefer to go with. So today we're just going to go with Summer, and we're just going in with my finger like I would do at work. Pick up the pigment and just press it on. There are times where, just like I just did, I focus too much of it on the inner corner. And so then I just try and make it look even now. And I just love this look because it makes my blue-green eyes look just, it makes them pop so much more. So there you have it. There's the eyes. That's it. That's good. That's golden. We're good. So I will either go with liquid liner or I won't, and I will just stick with mascara. And I've went back to my absolute all-time favorite, and I thought I loved the Lancome ones better than this, but nothing seems to have beaten this one out, and that is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I know they say this is the dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've never ever tried that. I just go back in and I take the mixture of Incense and Incentric, throw that under the eyes, and then we're good as golden with that. Then I take the one highlighter I do carry all the time because I'm trying to pan it and just be done with it, which is the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlit Pearls, or Moonlight Pearls, however you want to do it. I just load up my Sigma E25 blending brush. I know it's like an eyeshadow brush, but it works perfect. Throw some on the inner corner. I use the Wet n Wild Mega Contour palette thing. I obviously use this side to powder with, and then this side to either just slightly contour or slightly just like, you know, bronze up the skin, because like pale girl over here.
We gotta go.
And there you have it. That is the look for today. I made it easy, simple, 3 steps with eyeshadow, just mascara, everything. I skipped the whole winged eyeliner. I didn't feel like fussing with it. I skipped eyelashes because they're not in this room. I don't want to go get them. Eyelashes and foundation are an everyday, do I want them or not? So it's not an everyday for foundation and lashes. So here's what I wear every day for work. And with that, I love you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video sometime very, very, very soon. Bye, guys.